Hello, sweet friends and crafters. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. For today's video, I am featuring another project from Scrapdiva Designs, and they are dies from the September 1st, 2024 release. I will have links to all these dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop should you care to purchase any of these dies. They are affiliate links. When you use them, it doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help me and my channel, and I just want to say I appreciate that so very much. So thank you for doing that. You can also use Carol 10 at checkout. So the first one up is the Halloween mini album. So this comes with 3 pieces. You get the background, the stitched for your designer paper, and then the word Halloween that you cut out and you can layer, and you'll see that in my project. The next one is Halloween words number 4. You get several different words in this die set, and I love the words. You get spooktacular, trick or treat, hocus pocus, spooky vibes, broom parking, hocus pocus, just to name a few. And then last but not least, I used this right here, which is the spider bow number 2. This is a really cute bow for your Halloween projects. So before I pull my project into view, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning friends and subscribers, welcome back. You mean the world to me, and I appreciate your support and comments. So here is my Halloween mini album, and it's not so mini, it's pretty chunky. I had so much fun making this, and I used a digital kit from my shabby boutique, and it was the craft room release for September 1st, and of course it was shabby, so I mixed mine with shabby and some dark colors to make it pop. So here you can see the Halloween word that you get in your die set, and I popped it up on foam so it would stand out. Here is the spider bow on the top to decorate, and I put lots of fibers on the rings that I used, because your die comes with the 3 holes on the side, like right here, to put your rings. And then this cute little mouse is in the digital kit. This is the rose petal die from Scrapdiva Design as well, and I do have a tutorial for that on how to put these little roses together, and I used the small one in that set. So here's the first page, and these little Halloween images are so darling. So I just used some round dies from my stash, and this opens up. It's very interactive. So this opens up like this, and you can see I have little pockets with tags in there. These are like bingo cards, and there are cat and mice in this die set. And then we have the pumpkin and the leaf. Not die set, but the digital set, I want to say. And then that just closes up and ties. And then we have a little pocket here, and here is the trick or treat from the Halloween word die set number 4. And I have a couple tags in here. And then we'll move on to this page. And this page has a little mouse dressed to go trick-or-treating. And I put Hey Boo on there, and there's a little pumpkin. And it opens up like this on this side, and opens up like this on this side. And I have a little tuck spot with a little Boo Mouse tag stuck in there, and a little skeleton mouse decorating that little tuck spot. On this side here are some trick-or-treating mice, a little jack-o'-lantern, and then this opens up like this. It flips open, and you can see how pretty the paper is. Flips open like this, and then I have a little belly band. Let me get this out of the way. a little belly band with the different images that come in the kit. And I have these little envelopes, and they all have these little tags that open up like that inside on these tiny envelopes. And I'll show you this one as well. I love the pink jack-o'-lantern. It's a little pink pumpkin house and a pumpkin there. And they just tuck into that belly band. And then we have another pocket, and here is, looks like I messed up his tail. Let me go ahead and glue that down while I'm here. I guess I didn't put enough glue. I put some glue in the middle of his tail, but not here. Okay. There we go. That way his tail won't get ruined. Here's a little mouse holding a jack-o'-lantern. And here we have another little envelope, and I did not put anything in this one yet. And we have these two little tags here. And I'll put that like that. Then on this side, we have this little mouse dressed up like a mummy. And this opens like this for pictures. And then I use this little mouse with the jack-o'-lantern for a tuck spot for these little tags right here. And then we'll go to this page. And I love this image right here with the little kitty sitting on the pink jack-o'-lantern. And this opens like this. This has a little pocket with more little tags. Tags right here. And then this closes, and then it opens like this. I did not want to cover this paper because the images are so cute. So I just made a little flip up. Then on this side, we've got the big pink pumpkin with the word spooky. And then this one opens this way. And I have tags in there. And then also this one flips up, which I didn't want to cover the paper again because it's too pretty. That's that side. And then the last two pages are this cute little mouse trick-or-treaters. And then this flips open. And again, I did not want to cover the paper because it was really cute. So if you want to, you could put a picture on here, which I would be fine with. And a picture there, that would be cute. And this one, this little ghost mouse with a jack-o'-lantern. And it's the same thing. It opens up like that with a pretty pumpkin picture right there. And that's the end of my mini album. I had so much fun making this. I hope that you enjoyed it and would consider making one yourself. So until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go. And happy crafting. Bye-bye.